Army chief sounds furious, says the end of IPOB commander can now help us to bring the end of the Eastern Security Network. Who told you that, sir? Yes, you succeeded. You succeeded quite all right in killing one of the hoodlums. I will not call him, because till this very time, I personally have not still believed that that guy is an IPOB commander. Because many a times our Nigerian army has been using a lot of people, presenting them as member of IPOB. That is, after apprehending them, after catching them, they will now present them and force them to say that they are member of IPOBs. That is what happened to one now that stood before the television screen and started saying, he is the commander of Eastern Security Network. That he was apprehended by the Nigerian army. Men looking at the guy and the way he was making the confession, it was showing all over him that it was a framed statement. So I have not still believed that that guy is an IPOB commander. And even if I still saw him snapping with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I still don't believe that he is part of IPOB. Do you understand? Because the IPOB that I personally know don't go with arms and they don't go with charms. They have ethics. Do you understand? Then, if he now appear to be an IPOB member or commander, then if it appears to be true, it means that all of those things that was seen with him is actually out of the sight of the IPOB leader, Nnamdi Kanu. That is to tell you that Nnamdi Kanu is not aware that his commander is making use of anything of such. If not, Nnamdi Kanu would have sanctioned him, because Nnamdi Kanu doesn't tolerate anything of such from any of his members. IPOB fights with natural power. They have natural skill, natural powers. God Almighty has chosen them. God has chosen IPOB group to be the group that will fight the battle to finish, to be the group that will help Igbo to actualize Biafran freedom without any violence. Look at the approach Nnamdi Kanu is applying. Can't you see the approach he's applying? Are they not peaceful approach? Are they violent approach? Have you ever seen any IPOB member with ammunition? Aside from the Eastern Security Network that was set up, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu armed the Eastern Security Network, because the people that are going to fight or to battle with are full of arms. So they can't go empty-handed. So they need to go with sophisticated weapons too to face them. But for the IPOB, they are sent within the civilians. So that is why Nnamdi Kanu don't allow IPOBs to go out with weapons. So the army chief bragging, saying, because I see it as brag. He is bragging. That is what he's doing. He is bragging. He is bragging that with the end of the IPOB member, of the IPOB commander, we have successfully bring the end of the Eastern Security Network to an end. Let me take you into the content so that you understand the area I am coming from. Following the successful elimination of Ikonso, the army may use the same tactics that they apply to further its operations and fish out all the commanders of the Eastern Security Network, and finally put an end to the group's operation and existence. Cooperative efforts by the security operatives in Imo State led to the successful elimination of one of the most dangerous commanders of the Eastern Security Network in the state. Since Eastern Security Network was created by the outlawed IPOB group in 2020, its existence and operations in the southeast have been condemned by the government, and every effort to dissolve the group proved abortive. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu claimed that they runs the security outfit and that they intend to secure the southeast region from invaders. Unfortunately, Eastern Security Network became a nightmare for men of the Nigerian army, including the police, after they allegedly launched unprovoked attacks on security operatives in Anambra, Imo, and Ebonyi State consecutively. However, the Nigerian army, in collaboration with other security agencies, teamed up in Imo State yesterday and engaged Eastern Security Network members in a gun battle, which led to the death of Ikonso, a senior commander of the Eastern Security Network in Imo State. Also, remember that soldiers have been trying to track down the Eastern Security Network operatives base, but could not make much progress because Eastern Security Network members usually resist them. I believe that the Nigerian army took their time to study the mode of operation of the Eastern Security Network and utilized the clues they gathered in launching the last attack on their base in Imo State. This will definitely help the army to further its operation. Is that what I said? They are all liars. There is nothing that is going to help you to achieve anything. Even if Ikonso is the commander of IPOB, you have achieved that, and that you achieve is what will bring your end. Because now IPOB will now map out a strategy that is going to bring the end of Nigerian army. Yes, it's a military, it's a strong military force we know in Nigeria, but believe you me, they will be pushed to shame because of this that they have done. Yes, because of this that they have done, they'll be pushed to shame. Let me hear from you and know what you have to say about this. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.